Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode with me, Shashank Gudappa, and I've got one more hack for you guys. And today is a hack that most of you guys will use. Basically, I'm going to tell you how you can get anywhere between 10 to 15% discount on Zomato, on any type of order that you do on Zomato, and this is irrespective of your coupon codes, right? You will get 15% before you even start the coupon codes and you get maximum reward points. But how is this possible, Shashank? This is possible through credit cards, and I will show you step by step how you can get 15% discount on all your orders on Zomato. I do this because I'd like to save a lot of money as well, right? And stay till the end. I'm going to tell you some other food hacks that you can use with credit cards that will actually give you insane benefits also. Okay, so let's get into the next segment. So guys, there are two options you can use here. One, if you're an Axis Bank user or you have an Axis Bank credit card, you can go to Grab Deals over here, and over Grab Deals you will see that there are a lot of different vouchers here. Now over Grab Deals, if you go here as well, you can also search for your Zomato voucher, and as you can see, you get a flat 10% cashback on Zomato, or you get 10x reward point. Now they'll basically give you a gift card. Once you get the gift card, you need to go to Zomato account, click on settings, go down towards settings, and that is claim gift card. Click on claim gift card and you add these details. You will get maximum benefit for it. See, as you see, the step-by-step process is given here. So you get either a 10% cashback or 10x reward points on Axis Bank credit cards. I do this quite often, right? Now this is for Axis Bank. Now if you say, Shashank, I don't have Axis Bank credit cards. What can I do if I have HDFC Bank credit cards? We come back to Smart Buy. Now how do we do it here? From Smart Buy, you go to something called instant vouchers. Okay, click on this, it will go to a new tab again. Once you go to instant vouchers, this is called gifter, and always there is some kind of an offer going on right now. We just want to do Zomato right now, so I'll click on Zomato. Now look at this. Again, this is redeemable online, and this is Zomato, right? I've actually put an Amazon because I need an Amazon purchase. But let's see how we can do this. Now let's say I have an Infinia card, but I'll show you other cards as well, right? Now if you are buying something worth 2,000, after my Infinia card discount, first I get an upfront discount of 1,100 rupees, which is 5% cashback. Apart from that, I get bonus reward points worth 300 rupees. So totally I get a discount of 300 plus 100, which is 400 rupees, and comes to a net effective buy price of 1,600. That means it's a 20% discount I get on every Zomato purchase. Now what I do is I basically just go here, add 1 or 2, whatever I want. If I add two, then my net effective price becomes 3,175. Now whenever you add this, there is a small charge that they put. I think they put a convenience fee of 125 rupees. So if you add that, then maybe your net effective discount comes to around 10 to 15%, right? But now what is the advantage here? Once you buy this, you will get an email, or you will also get a message or notification on your mobile number, which gives you the Zomato coupon code. What you need to do is take that coupon code, go to your Zomato, click on settings, click on claim new gift card. And once you click on that claim new gift card, you add the entire information. Once you add the entire information, you will see that you have 2,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees worth of credits over there. Now what happens is, let's go to your favorite Zomato restaurant. Let's say we want to order Chinese today. I click on some Chinese restaurant. I make an order of 3,500 rupees. I say I want to use my Zomato credits for this, but then there is also another applicable voucher or a coupon code which gives me another 100, 200, 300 rupees off, which is your general coupon code, right? But this gets it before the general coupon code. So what happens is, every time you're buying on Zomato, if you do this, you start saving 10 to 15. Now this was Infinia card. Let's say you have a Diners Black credit card, the discount slightly goes down. So if you're doing a Diners Black credit card, it still gives you approximately 10 to 12% discount. If you say I have a Regalia credit card, it gives you the same amount as well. If you say I have a Millennia credit card, let's say you don't have the super premium credit cards and you have a Millennia credit card, then it gives you a 10% discount. Boss, 10% discount is also good, right? 10% if you even add 10%, but then after that they add a small amount for you, which is I think 125 rupees or something they will add. And if they add that, then it creates more. But here all you have to do is come and pay via your credit card, and the HDFC credit card, not some other credit card. And when you do that, you will see automatically this coupon code coming for you, and then you get massive discounts. So Zomato, you get flat 5%, and if you want other products, everything is given here as well. And I will talk about more of these products very soon, right? But Zomato is how you do it. And if you have an Axis Bank credit card, you get slightly more discount, which is 10% flat cashback you get here, right? But on if you have the higher super premium cards, I would suggest going here. If you don't have this and you only have an Axis card, then you can get here. But basically what I'm trying to tell you is, guys, do not spend too much money when you're eating outside, right? You will save a lot of money if you do these hacks. Okay, let me come back to the secret hack that I'm going to tell you now guys, coming to the secret hack, let's understand one more thing, right? Almost all credit cards right now, whether it's an Axis Bank credit card, whether it's an HDFC Bank credit card, whether it's super premium or not super premium, you get dining benefits, right? Axis Bank has something called dining delights. HDFC had something called dine out, but now after the devaluation, HDFC is removing dine out passport, I think from Feb. So that is not going to be there anymore, but Axis Bank still gives you some kind of dining benefits also. So that is again great. Now, apart from this, start looking more deep into your card. If you're getting cashbacks, use that for your dining purposes. If you have to find out where these dining delights apply, you get 10 to 15% off there. And sometimes for people who have super premium credit cards, you usually get some free food services as well. So for example, on my Infinia credit card, I get 1+1 buffet every month in an ITC restaurant, right? I only pay for one, but I get another one for free. So again, these are some dining hacks that you can use, and you also get a lot of other benefits, like you get 20% off on Marriott when you have food and beverage over there. So a lot of different benefits are there with each and every credit card. Try to use it to the maximum. I use Zomato almost every single day, but there are other things you can use as well, and in the other videos I will talk about them as well. But I hope you guys like this video. And there's another simple hack that you need to do as well. If you guys get any type of credit card and you want to understand more about your credit card, then there's a very simple thing to do. Take your credit card, upload it on the Cred app. One, it gives you all your information about the credit card. It also gives you all the card offers in one single place. It tells you what is the unbilled amount of your card and when you have to pay the credit card bill. And more importantly, it will tell you your credit score. If it's going up, it will tell you why it went up. If it's going down, it will give you a proper report as to why it is going down as well. So download the Cred app and upload all your credit card information so you have everything safe in one place. I hope this was a helpful video, and if you liked it, and if you have friends who are using credit card, definitely share this with them, because they will obviously be very happy that you've just saved them 10 to 15% on every Zomato order. In fact, I would be smart enough to do that. Even if you're ordering with a group of friends, there are 5 people ordering from Zomato, I usually pay the bill because I get the 15% off, but I don't obviously tell my friends, and they pay me the entire amount, so I may basically make a lot of money there as well. Okay, this is a chindi hack, but I think you can do that as well. Okay, this is me, Shashank Gudappa, signing off. Guys, wait, next video is going to be another super hack. Actually, let me give it away. I'm going to tell you how you can get both headphones for approximately 10 to 15% discount, again using credit cards. So stay tuned for the next video. I will see you guys as well. This is me, Shashank Gudappa, signing off. Take care. See you guys. Bye.